Hey guys, I just got an email saying my Elegoo Mars is here. Now I could wait till Monday to pick it up, but you know what? I think I want to get it today. So let's take a road trip. So the contents are packed really well. First thing you're greeted with is a very basic manual to get you started. A toolkit with a blue US sticker. A handy 3D printed drip attachment, which is a really nice touch from Elegoo. And of course, the Mars itself. I was really hoping I got the newer polycarbonate cover, but it looks like I got the red acrylic one. This is a really nice red though. Inside the packing foam is the build plate with an Elegoo Mars logo on it. The resin vat is held on either side with one screw. Here you can see the FEP at the bottom of the vat. That's a really heavy vat. Here we have the build plate, the 3D printed drip attachment, some nitrile gloves, a small measuring cylinder for measuring resin or draining the vat, a screwdriver which I have no idea what this is for, a plastic scraper to remove prints or stir up resin, some snips, and believe me, you're going to be using this to remove a lot of supports. A USB key with Cheeto box and the Rook test file, some Allen keys to tighten the build plate when leveled, and the power supply. Some surgical masks that do absolutely nothing for resin fumes, and some paint filters to filter your resin back into the bottle or some other storage. Okay, let's power this guy up. Make sure to remove this plastic completely for your touchscreen to work properly. Okay guys, that's my unboxing of the Elegoo Mars. If you like this video, please hit like and subscribe and look out for more videos in the future.